Hello, welcome to A to Z Dentistry. This video focuses on important MCQs related to developmental disturbance of teeth. Hereditary brown opalescent dentin amylogenesis imperfecta, regional odontodysplasia, dentin dysplasia, dentinogenesis imperfecta. Amylogenesis imperfecta. Amylogenesis imperfecta, otherwise known as hereditary brown opalescent dentin, hereditary brown enamel, hereditary enamel dysplasia. Turner's tooth seen in enamel hypoplasia due to trauma, enamel hypoplasia due to fluoride, enamel hypoplasia due to syphilis, enamel hypoplasia due to hypocalcemia. Enamel hypoplasia due to trauma. Enamel hypoplasia due to trauma or local infection known as Turner's tooth. Turner's hypoplasia commonly seen in maxillary incisors, mandibular incisors, maxillary molars, mandibular molars. Maxillary incisors. Turner's hypoplasia commonly seen in maxillary incisors and premolars. Tooth affected by ingestion of high fluoride content water result, mottled enamel, Mons molars, shell teeth, mulberry molars. Mottled enamel. Mottled enamel is a type of enamel hypoplasia. It's due to high level of fluoride content in water. Which of the following not a feature of congenital syphilis? Hutchinson incisors, mulberry molars, Mons molar, shell teeth. Shell teeth. Shell teeth are common with type 2 dentinogenesis imperfecta. Tulip-shaped crown seen in regional odontodysplasia, dentin dysplasia, dentinogenesis imperfecta, amylogenesis imperfecta. Dentinogenesis imperfecta. It's an autosomal dominant condition affect both the dentition and the tooth is grade 2 yellowish brown in color. Broad crown and construction of the cervical area result in tulip-shaped crown. Developmental anomaly of teeth associated with defective bone formation. Regional odontodysplasia, dentin dysplasia, dentinogenesis imperfecta, amylogenesis imperfecta. Dentinogenesis imperfecta is associated with defective in bone formation. The another important clinical feature is obliterated pulp chamber and root canals. Brandywine type is dentinogenesis imperfecta type 1, dentinogenesis imperfecta type 2, dentinogenesis imperfecta type 3, amylogenesis imperfecta. Dentinogenesis imperfecta type 2, also known as Brandywine type. Ghost teeth is regional odontodysplasia, dentin dysplasia, dentinogenesis imperfecta, amylogenesis imperfecta. Regional odontodysplasia. Radiographically, in regional odontodysplasia, enamel and dentin are thin with large and wide pulp chambers that giving ghost appearance. Odontodysplasia more common in maxillary central incisor. Loss of organization of radicular dentin with shortening of root length is a feature of dentin dysplasia type 1, dentin dysplasia type 2, amelogenesis imperfecta, dentinogenesis imperfecta. Dentin dysplasia type 1. Dentin dysplasia is a disturbance of dentin formation. It is characterized by normal enamel, atypical dentin formation, abnormal pulp morphology. Thistle-tube appearance of pulp chamber is a feature of coronal dentin dysplasia, amelogenesis imperfecta, dentinogenesis imperfecta, Bradywine type. Coronal dentin dysplasia. Dentin dysplasia is divided into two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is known as radicular dentin dysplasia and the type 2 is coronal dentin dysplasia. Lava flowing around the boulder seen in histological feature of coronal dentin dysplasia, radicular dentin dysplasia, amelogenesis imperfecta, dentinogenesis imperfecta. Radicular dentin dysplasia. Lava flowing around the boulder seen in histological feature of radicular dentin dysplasia or type 1 dentin dysplasia. It's all about the topic developmental disturbance of teeth. Thank you.